When you see the world, what do you see? Do you see complexity, turbulence, growth, opportunity? From our lens, we see both risk and progress in the market with breakthrough technologies matched with an adapting labor force. We see the evolution of the digital age stretching the dimensions of human experience, closing the gap between the physical and virtual world. The first step in this evolution is the API economy. The sharing of data allows developers to build better applications, smarter tools, and resilient systems. Advances in machine learning and artificial intelligence enable better automation, deeper insights, stronger security, and a new wave of software tools. New tools call for new skills and knowledge of the workforce, which encourage the practice of lifelong learning, which in turn raises work efficiency, productivity, and the quality of service. All these demands breed a new, adaptive workforce of highly skilled users, developers, and creators who will be instrumental in shaping the future economy. In business, few companies understand the power and impact of data sharing and AI to extend their brand presence, and the majority of enterprises lack the prowess to leverage this special power. Today is the opportunity to expand beyond conventional channels and mainstream business audiences. Signet Science can help you navigate this new economy and arm you with this special power.